Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, we will give you a complete guide on how to grow cucumbers from seed to harvest. We will also give you an update on our other plants that we are growing inside the house. Some on the windowsill, some under a grow light.
Just in case you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, I think you should, because we make gardening videos, cooking videos and traveling videos. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share our videos with friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. I love cucumbers, especially homegrown cucumbers. They taste delicious. You can grow cucumbers inside the greenhouse or outdoors. Seeds can be sown indoors or outside from March to May, depending on the climate.
It's the middle of March. It's the perfect time to sow your cucumber seeds indoors. These are some of the cucumber seeds I've sown this was about 8 days ago.
Yeah.
And they've done really well in 8 days. We've sown the cucumber seed in a modular seed tray. Few we've actually sown in an individual container on its own. Now I know some people like to sow cucumber seed scattered in a seed tray, but I find cucumbers plants, they don't like to be disturbed too much, so I prefer to actually grow them in an individual container or in a modular seed tray.
Get a modular seed tray or an individual pot and fill it up with fine seed compost. Now, this is ready. We like to pre-dampen our soil before we sow the seeds. Now that we have pre-dampened our soil, it's time to sow your seeds. Place your seeds sideways, just like this. Once you have placed the seed onto the seed tray, add about 1 centimeter of soil over it. Don't bury the seed too deep, or it's going to find it hard to shoot up. So you want the seed about 1 centimeter below the surface. Now add a little bit more water to it, not too much. There we go, that should be it.
This can go into a heated propagator now. Now, if you don't have a heated propagator, you can actually put this on a warmest and the sunniest part of your house, like a windowsill. Or you could put this inside your boiler room. I tend to cover with a plastic polythene bag, so it doesn't get too dry and it remains moist. Cucumber seeds needs about 21 degrees Celsius and above to germinate. Although it will germinate, although the seed will germinate below 21 degrees, but give them 25 degrees Celsius and it will germinate very fast, within 5 days. Now it's been 7 days. Hopefully your seedlings would have grown this size. I would keep the seedlings in here for another couple of days before I change them to individual containers. Cucumber plants needs a temperature above 12 degrees Celsius, otherwise it will die. Now, we're not just talking about day temperature, we're thinking about night temperature. So for example, it's middle of March now. The night temperature gets very cold. So they should be kept in a heated greenhouse, which I don't have a heated greenhouse. I will keep them inside my house on a windowsill or under a grow light. Cucumber plants can be grown in a container or in the ground. Now these plants, I'll be growing them in a container in my greenhouse. So I could actually plant them in a 9 or 10 inch container when they're large enough, and keep them in the greenhouse when the night temperature rises above 10 degrees, 10 or 12 degrees. I'm hoping around second week of April I can actually keep them in my greenhouse, unheated greenhouse. But if you have a heated greenhouse, you can keep them in now. You'll find your plants will thrive. If you're planting cucumber plants into the ground and you're growing them in UK, in England, I strongly advise you to wait till May. And before you actually put them in the ground, make sure you harden off your plants. Otherwise, your indoor plants will die. They need to be gradually exposed to harsh weather, like the sun and the wind. Cucumbers from seed to harvest is about 10 weeks. So I'm going to be planting these plants in my greenhouse when they're warm enough in a container, and I'm hoping to harvest in about 10 weeks time. So that will take us, now it's about middle of March, middle of April, middle of May, end of May, we should be able to harvest those cucumbers.
It's 5 in the afternoon and it's pretty cold inside the greenhouse. So we're going to be taking this inside our house, and it's time to give you an update on our indoor plants. Come on guys, follow me. Let's check out what we have inside this Spider Farmer grow tent under the SF2000 Spider Farmer grow light.
Oh, it looks very bright here.
Yeah, it's that.
All right, so this is a grow tent. It's a Spider Farmer grow tent. I think this is you can get them in different sizes, and we have a SF2000
full spectrum
full spectrum grow light, and this is what we're growing inside. So we've got plenty of chili plants growing. So these plants, it only took about less than 2 months to come to this size, and they're doing pretty well. And these are some seedlings.
Tomato plants.
Oh, these are some tomato plants, yes. So I'm hoping to start my tomato a bit early in the greenhouse this year. So these are the tomato plants. These are more tomato plants, and I think some aubergine plants somewhere. These are aubergine plants.
If you would like to grow your chilies as early as February, it will be a good idea to invest in a grow light and a grow tent. We are using the SF2000 full spectrum grow light and the Spider Farmer grow tent. If you would like to visit their website, we will leave the link in the description down below. These are some of our other plants that we have kept in the sunniest and warmest place in our house, my dad's bedroom. These plants, they're doing good, but they're not doing as well as the other plants in the grow tent, but they're doing okay. These are some bean plants.
Yeah, so if you want to grow, start your chilies or your other plants indoors, you need to provide them with light and heat. So you need to sort of, this room here has big windows.
Yes.
And it actually provides plenty of light and heat. So we kept them in this room here, but they're growing good, but they're not growing as fast as the one under the grow light and the grow tent. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share our videos.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to check out my second channel, Akib's Fun TV. I make very interesting vlogs. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.